kod lala mar teko mar sitima odiochieng' manyoro. Wadhi weche manyien mamoko kama jatenda NAK Kenya Martha Karua oseyo sekta mar thieth ma owacho ni ok osereso jopiny kod thieth. Karua en jaod bura mandia masani dende leta. Owacho ni jopiny ma onge kod nyalo
have leaders who have served is to serve the community. If we equip our hospitals in Kenya, in all the counties and nationally, we will not need to raise money to go to India. We need a good health service, NHIF, and we need equipment in all our hospitals so that these journeys that are necessary now become unnecessary in the future. We are asking leaders to attend to that.
I'm still pushing the Health Amendment Bill 2023, and I am hoping that once we resume Parliament, I will be able to table it on the floor for first reading so that we can ensure we protect the common mwananchi, because I believe that every Kenyan has a right to access the highest level of attainable health care, and we must ensure that everyone is catered for.